All right, if you're using close.com, we have a huge update for you today. Close just dropped one of the biggest workflow updates that we have seen in recent years. You can now trigger automations directly off of opportunities and custom activities without needing outside tools or things like Zapier. And this unlocks a ton of powerful automations that were either messy or impossible without external tools previously. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what has changed, how you can use these new triggers right away to automate follow-ups, status changes, task creations, etc. And ultimately, why this update is the beginning of a huge push that Close.com has promised in 2025. So if we come in here and we click new workflow, we can see this trigger. And previously, all we had was kind of these lead event triggers, right? And there wasn't a ton that you could previously do without using external tools like Zapier. But now we have this add automated trigger and we have all of these options. We have custom activity events, we have opportunity events, and then we have contact events. So the custom activity event, if we click right here, we can see all of our custom activities. So for example, if a deal one activity is submitted, right, we can just select this and then we have that. So if this activity is submitted, then trigger the workflow, okay? And let's say we have an onboarding motion that we want to run. This is really cool. So all we do is click email and we select the email template that we want to use. Let's just say welcome email, right? And then we're going to assign the user based on the closer lead owner, and we are going to click done. Okay. And then we're going to send, let's say, an SMS, and this is going to come in here. I don't think I have like a welcome SMS. We can just use whatever SMS. We'll use demo one. And then we do, again, assign user, closer lead owner, done, and boom. Now we have a workflow that as soon as a deal one activity is submitted, we have an email and a text message going out to that customer based on the needs there. Now we can also trigger this. If we click new workflow here, we can trigger this based on a opportunity event. So let's do the same thing, but instead of using the custom activity, we're going to say current status is any of deal one. Okay. So we can click done. Now we have an opportunity that is marked as deal one, and then we can add those same steps. Okay, so this is huge. There's a lot that you could potentially do here. Now, this is only for sending emails, text messages, scheduling tasks, or changing a lead status. Let's use that example again, where opportunity event current status is any of deal one. We'll click done here. And then the next step, let's say we want to update the lead status to customer, or in this case, student. Okay. So we just click done. And now it is going to make sure that when that opportunity is converted to one, it updates the lead status. Previously, we had to do all of this through something like Zapier. So if you guys want more videos on close.com updates, please let us know. This one's just short, sweet, to the point, shows you exactly what you want. Now, what I want to talk about real quickly is that this is a larger play inside of close.com. So if you've been a long time close.com user, you probably have wanted more options for workflows and integrations directly inside of Close, similar to that of HubSpot or Go High Level. Historically, it has always been external. So we have to use things like Zapier to be able to accomplish what we want. Close.com has promised some really cool things. They are rolling out their AI note taker that is directly inside of Close. They have committed to updating workflows and really creating a robust workflow trigger system where we can start updating properties and doing things inside of here. So those will be coming down the pipeline. And that takes Close from an already powerful CRM and one of our favorite CRMs at RevPilot and makes it that much more powerful. So I hope this video is helpful. Let us know in the comments what you use this for and how it works. And if you guys have any questions, as always, leave it in the comment. We'll get you a reply, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.